Hey bro, what are we doing today?
I'm making pancakes.
Just making pancakes. We're getting ready to go out.
Yeah.
Eat some breakfast first, and then we're going to spend some more money.
Shopping.
Because we're out of control right now. We don't know how to act when we got this camera. What are you cooking?
Pancakes because we have leftover bacon from last night.
Bacon?
Yeah, bro.
Like mixed in the pancakes.
Oh, should I do that? It's pretty good.
No, I don't think it
I don't
would
want to
work.
ruin it.
Just put chocolate chips.
Do we have any?
So, she's out there making food. I'm gonna get ready. Line up the beard a little bit because it's getting a little bit messy today. Hop in the shower, do my non-existent skincare. And then lining up the beard, but food's ready, so hold off on the shower for now. It smells so good out here. Munching on, huh?
Bacon.
Bacon. Oh, you made like a sandwich with the bacon. What do you got in there? Mayo too?
So I just finished eating breakfast and now we're gonna do my skincare routine. I'm gonna time lapses and put some nice background music in the background so you guys are not bored.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And that's it. That is my skincare routine. Now I'm going to do my makeup, but I will probably record that another day because my makeup takes pretty long.
Where are we going?
Ikea! And I want to go for shoe shopping. I want to get some nice brand shoes because look how dirty they are. We're on our way to Ikea right now.
What are we looking for?
I low-key wanted to get the shoe, what is it? Like the cabinet for shoes?
What the fuck? We have
Like
a
on
shoe
the
rack.
wall. I know, but like, I want something new, you know? But I want a drink first. So can we get a drink first?
Where?
Anywhere. Yeah, let's go to McDonald's. Yeah. I want a vanilla iced coffee. Yo, Loki, McDonald's iced coffee is better than Starbucks iced coffee. And Tim Hortons.
Damn, it's fucked up, bro.
If you guys agree with me, comment down below. They're gonna definitely agree with me.
No, they're not.
Starbucks. I'm gonna get a Christmas drink.
What are Christmas drinks, man?
Caramel brulee, chestnut praline, iced sugar cookie oat latte. I can keep going if you want.
Fried rice?
Latte?
Iced coffee?
Yeah. No whip and no topping. But can I get sweet cream on top?
You want sweet cream on top?
Yeah. I got a iced chestnut praline with white mocha and vanilla foam. It was supposed to be extra ice, they didn't put extra ice.
No, I got.
Caramel brulee
That's what I got.
with vanilla.
Is it good?
They need more ice. Should I go back and ask for more ice?
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, go ask for more ice, bro.
Should I? I'll be back.
What the fuck? So extra, bro. I'm staying here. This is like the best drink in the world, but you can't get the no topping. Ugh.
So I got my cup of ice. I like my drink like really, really cold. So
Good, bro.
I was very upset that, you know,
This is just extra.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You don't understand.
What the fuck? You just ruined the whole drink now. Oh, that's why I asked for a bigger cup.
That was the reason. Whatever. Here it is. That's my drink that I wanted from the start.
With frost, cold night and the winter hot cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner of the nose.
Ikea.
So we just bought a new couch and she's already looking for new couches. You're cheating on our couch right now.
It's pretty comfy. I love the meatballs here.
Meatballs in the what?
I don't know. I just get whatever I see here sometimes. Maybe the chocolate cake today. Nah. Okay, we're gonna pay.
The best part of IKEA is the food.
Meatballs.
Looks fucking bomb.
And garlic bread. So bomb.
What are we getting?
I found something to buy.
At the end of the trip. So IKEA wasn't really it. And then...
I'm gonna get this bad boy right here.
For what?
For my makeup, because you know how there's a shelf in our bedroom, so we're gonna take it out, and because I always like to mess up his desk anyway and put my makeup there, but instead I could wheel this outside to our new couch.
Yeah, sometimes she does her makeup when I'm sleeping and wakes me up, so might be a good idea. You want it?
Yeah, bro, let's get it. Should I
What
get
color?
the black or the white? The white kind of looks ugly, no?
Yeah, you should get the black.
The black. And like, I don't want like to get dirty. We're going home with this baddie, and I want the board. For the extra $14, but
It's $14
what the
for
fuck?
the
It's a chopping board.
Oh, and they just put it on the thing.
Yay!
You just can't see me.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, the height difference is, you know, it's a little big difference, but yay!
Got it. Okay.
So we're going home. Are we going home?
Yeah. Or...
Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
We don't know. You know, sometimes we just get random urges to go somewhere else. But we got the stuff. It was $71 altogether. Pretty cheap compared to the other stuff that we bought this week. I'm so excited to organize my stuff. We're gonna film that as well.
That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later, trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me.
We got a tripod.
I guess they can't really tell the difference.
You guys can't tell the difference, but I'm holding it right now. It's pretty sick. We got it from Vision. You know, it's not the best tripod, but
Well, we didn't want to spend $150.
maybe next time, you know.
We need to chill out a little bit. Oh.
I just bought something from
Oh
Ikea.
yeah, IKEA, I forgot about
Remember,
that.
we have to build it tonight.
Oh yeah. Fuck, so we gotta go home.
Yeah, so we're gonna actually go home. I kind of want an iced tea from McDonald's,
Oh.
which is
Our
right.
original McDonald's.
So believe it or not, guys, both of us actually used to work. What the fuck? We used to work at that McDonald's, guys. We used to live in Scarborough, but now we are downtown. Couple. I was gonna say girlies, but
What the fuck?
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. Fast forward a year or two, friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names.
This is a tripod. It extends.
Stand it, go. Up to the ceiling.
I'm not the best at it. Maybe
Stand it.
next time. Maybe next time. We're almost there. Oh my gosh.
That's great. Oh, we're home.
There's the door.
While I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
So this is the before. It's completely empty. Okay.
What are you putting in there?
So this is gonna be hair stuff. This is gonna be like makeup that I like use like on like dramatic nights, and then this is my everyday stuff.
On the top shelf?
Yeah.
What about the cutting board? What are you gonna do with it?
Put my
'cause you
mirror
might wanna
on top.
cover it.
Put my
Oh.
mirror on top.
So you have to put like bottles on the bottom. You should put like lashes in there so you can like cover it.
I have too much lashes. I can't.
Okay.
It has to stay there. Okay, I'll be back. It's done, guys. Look, all my hair supplies, all my makeup, and look at the best part. Oh my gosh! I'm so happy.
We can't stay in one spot, so we're going to get some food.
So we're gonna go to Grilly's right now.
We're hungry,
We're hungry.
but it's 1 in the morning.
It's 1:04 right now. We're gonna get him some coffee as well, so that he could stay up for tonight and then sleep in the morning, then head to work.
Yeah, got night shift tomorrow. Is it focused?
Yeah, I have work at 12:30 tomorrow. I think I gotta check my schedule. We made it. It's open till 6 a.m. Okay,
So
we're
this is
trying
the-
something new.
No fluff. This is the mic without the fluff.
We're Grillies, by the way.
We made it to Grilly's. The other one was closed.
Yeah.
On
Even
Google.
though it says 3 a.m. on
On
Google.
Google.
Disrespect. And the fact that it's our favorite too.
I know.
This is brand new.
So what if this one's not good? Then we're like never gonna come to Grilly's again.
Oh shit.
Like this might ruin it for us.
I have faith. I have faith. We got our food. We got the same exact thing. Okay, so we're home now. We just wanted to say goodbye.
Night. I got my coffee. Happy.
I'm probably gonna go to bed soon. He's not. He's gonna finish editing and upload this video today.
And play video games.
Yes. Goodbye.
Bye.